What is the difference between natural and artificial environment? Answer. Natural environment consists of all the living and non-living things. It is the interaction of all living beings, climate and natural resources. It is healthy and enables a diverse ecosystem. List the types of natural resources. Answer. There are two types of natural resources: renewable natural resource, non-renewable natural resource. What is rainwater harvesting? Answer. It is a process or technique of collection and storage of rainwater into reservoirs or tanks. Rooftop harvesting is a kind of rainwater harvesting in which the rainwater does not get wasted and is saved for use as drinking water. What is the meaning of sustainable development? Answer. Sustainable development is the development that satisfies the needs of the present without compromising the capacity of future generations, guaranteeing the balance between economic growth, care for the environment, and social well-being. Why do you think the United Nations has made the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Answer. The 17 SDGs have been made to take care of important issues facing businesses, governments, and society. Some of these issues are poverty, gender equality, water use, energy, climate change, and biodiversity. Countries are now making policies and regulations that will promote sustainable systems needed in all economic sectors to provide a secure, affordable, and sustainable economy. Write short notes on 1. Ecosystem. 2. Crop rotation. Answer. 1. It is a system which consists of plants, animals, and human beings who are dependent on each other. The relationship between living organisms and their environment forms an ecosystem, and human society is the most important and integral part of this environment. 2. It is a practice of planting different crops in the same farm in order to enhance soil fertility and maintain the bind of the soil. List some ways in which we can use resources sensibly. Answer. We can become responsible for our own environment by 1. Reusing paper, glass, plastic, water, etc. 2. Taking cloth bags to market carrying fruits and vegetables. 3. Donate things we do not use such as clothes, books, furniture, food, etc. 4. Buy and eat seasonal fruits and vegetables from local growers. We repair leaking taps and pipes to avoid wasting water. 6. Sort and treat garbage before disposing of. Explain the importance of education towards sustainable development. Answer. Education is the most important factor for sustainable development. Children who have gone to school will be able to do jobs so that they can take care of themselves and their families. Education helps us become aware of our role as a responsible citizen. We should 1. Use the facilities present in our areas. 2. Take our friends to school. 3. Help friends study. 4. Stop friends from dropping out of school. Give an example of large-scale production of solar power in India. Answer. Charnaka, Gujarat Solar Park. Reduced inequalities is one of the Sustainable Development Goals set by the UN. Give any 2 ways to reduce inequalities. Answer. 2 easy to reduce inequalities are: be helpful to one another. Be friendly with everyone.